Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix could not sign in authentication failed. So guys, when you want to sign in on your app store in iPhone and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, this problem is occur when your internet connection is not connected or your internet connection is too weak. So guys, simply first of all you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection or not. So guys, if not connected, then you need to connect it first, and guys, after doing this you need to go back. So guys, second step is you need to check that your problem has been fixed or not. So guys, if still not fixed your problem, then guys you need to click on general, and guys you need to click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset and click on reset network settings. So guys, maybe this problem in your network settings. So guys, by doing reset network settings, your problem will be fixed. So guys, after doing this, if still not fix your problem, then guys, maybe this problem is in Apple ID. Then guys, simply you need to go back, open your Apple ID here, and guys, after opening Apple ID, then guys you need to sign out your Apple ID easily, and guys, after sign out you need to sign in again after a few minutes. So guys, these are some settings. By doing these settings, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.